Hello, this is a quick video on how to attach a PDF or a form document and how to store them in the website. This is updated since the original video on how to do hyperlinks. And we came up with a better way to manage our media. So when you're logged in as admin, you'll see the media section. This was originally where we were putting the PDFs. We've eliminated them all from here. There is one that somebody's currently working on that I'm not going to touch. But I have made a copy of this into the correct location now. So we're no longer using this media section. If you select a file manager, this is where we're going to put the files. And the files are specifically all going to be defined under this one folder called PMA files. If you open this, you will see some subfolders that I created. If you need another subfolder, I will create it for you. This is not something you can do on the current configuration. Note that the other pages and the other folders and files here are the actual website. You really don't want to mess with these. You can take down the website. So keep in mind you're all admins so that you can delete these folders if you do delete the website with it. Best to keep in mind just to stay inside the PMA files. Now what I've done is created some subfolders. Subfolders are based on their function or perhaps their page. In this case, advertising are all the forms and PDFs required for the forms page. The forms on the actual advertising page. So let me take you to the advertising page, which is here, and there are 7 links to different PDFs. And if you highlight one of them, you can see at the bottom of my browser that they're stored under the name of the website, PMA files, advertising folder, and then the name of the file. Now I just copied these in from the other location. I did not rename them or change them or anything, but in the future I recommend that you use all lowercase file names because it is case sensitive and it makes things a lot easier. The other thing to remember is this is not a great place to store old versions. I noticed that that was being done a lot on the last website. There were literally thousands of files that I had no idea what they were for. So we took about 6 hours to back up 3 or 4 gigs of data offline, delete it all, and get our new website up and running in production in a nice clean format where we're sure what's there is what's supposed to be there. So that being said, if you need to save old files, save them offline in some sort of location that you use for storing your data. A website is not a file server, so we don't want to make it such. For the most part, the way you get files in from here is you literally take and drag and drop them. I could take this file right here, I'm not going to, and you'll see the plus sign, drag and drop it, and it will, actually I'll put it up there, and you'll see that it will upload and it will appear right there. Now I can use that and link to that particular file from any of the websites. So I'm going to right click it and I'm going to delete it because I don't want that there. And that's how we got these files up there. Now you need to use a reference here to link your files, and here it is. Everything starts with this when you link your files. Then based on a location, for example, everything should start under this location. And then wherever you put your files is going to be, we have too many forms there, the next folder. So for example, if I'm going to link to, let's say, this fall ad book, my path is going to be advertising 2015 fall ad book.pdf. And that's the full link to where the file is. When you put that in a page, you want to basically prep by putting your files in the right location and maybe having this recorded in a notepad or something to where you put it. You don't have to because you can always type it in or do whatever. So I'm going to go to a page here and just edit a page. Let's go to the advertising page. And if I want to put in a new link, I'd insert a hyperlink. And then you can go to link options if you're linking to a specific page. But in this case, we're linking to a file. So the way we do that is we put in the path. And you'll notice this is the full path, PMA files, the subfolder advertising, and the name of the file. It's not too difficult to do this. And you can see here is an example if you open that gear. I'm not linking to anything down here, but I am linking to this file. It's PDF. and my text says click here, which is nice to do so people know exactly what they're clicking on. That's it. That's how you do it. Upload your file and then create the path to it. I hope that's been informative. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.